Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I got something new. I remember real early in the year, Reckless Eating did something about Kraft habanero cheese sticks, and they said they were available at Walmart. And I was looking. I couldn't find them, and finally I found something different. I found this is new Frigo cheeseheads premium snacking cheese sticks, and these are Wisconsin Colby habanero cheese. And you see the habanero, both orange and red. They have two colors. And I think they have a green habanero too, if I'm not mistaken. Unless that's not right, but I don't know. And let's give these a shot. These were $2.49 for a 10-pack, which I don't think is bad at all. Has a little bit of story on the bag. It says a chip off the premium block. Big cheese taste. Comes in small packages. Frigo cheeseheads. Premium snacking cheese offers a variety of fresh cheeses that are select for their quality and great taste. Enjoy every delectable bite of our freshly cut and individually wrapped cheese sticks. Get a delicious premium snack anytime, anywhere you deserve it. Don't I know it? And cheesehead is a term they use in Wisconsin, anyways. And this is from Saputo Cheese USA Incorporated in Lincolnshire, Illinois. Wow. Okay, let's give this a shot. And it has that they've it also has something that they've donated to a lot of like 200,000 to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. So I thought at least mention that's cool. And they got a thing on Facebook too. So all right, let's give these a shot. I believe these are individually wrapped, or maybe not. Oh no, gotta tear them off. Well, I gotta open up the whole thing now. But it doesn't make sense. They said tear here, and then you gotta tear them off. And they shouldn't. I mean, they said tear here, but they're all connected, so it's kind of tough to take one off unless you open up the whole thing. All right, this is what one of them looks like. You see the bits of habanero in there. Let's give this a shot. It looks good. I'm not the world's greatest cheese fan. It all depends on what it is. I like any type of cheese that has hot peppers in it, though. I think that gives us, or like stuff like horseradish cheese or different types of stuff like that. I like that. If I can open them up. A little bit of a pain to open up, but that's all right. Okay. And what they look like. Cheese is good. You get a little bit of burn. But sometimes that automatically, oh yeah, you're getting burned now. Because I had a Sargento pepper jack cheese with almost no burn whatsoever. You do get some burn with these. That's good. Because usually cheese is dairy, and dairy has milk in it. And milk is a counter agent to capsaicin. Because capsaicin is kind of like a glue-like substance that sticks to your taste buds and on your tongue and stuff, and causes heat, And usually milk would help loosen those up, and then, it makes the burn go away. Let's try a little more of this, where it has like the bigger pieces right there. Try that piece. You see there is some in there. Wow. That does have burn to it. I like it. Somewhat similar to the burn you get from the loaded grillers at Taco Bell, which I was a big fan of. I like these real well. I probably give these color the burn. I probably give these almost a 10 out of 10, maybe close to a high 9.5. But there you have it for Frigo's. I'm not that pronounced. Frigo Cheeseheads Premium Snacking, Wisconsin. Colby habanero cheese sticks. So until next time, bye, please. Take care, my legion. Now I'm probably be doing these videos out of sequence. I'm doing a whole bunch. I gotta do a lot of editing. Pretty soon, in about 20 minutes, I'm gonna start heading on down to Old Fashioned Days. I hope it's gonna be good. I hope they have a good food truck and stuff like that. If you don't see a food truck review from Old Fashioned Days, that means they probably didn't have nothing there. But I'll definitely mention it. Or I'll do something. I don't know. Till next time, bye. Wish me luck down there and take care of my legion. Because last year they didn't have anything except the cool food truck. Hopefully they'll have. I'm hoping they'll have one this year. I don't know what to expect, but I'm hoping it'll be good. And you'll probably see. I don't know when you'll see that. You'll see it sometime. I'll probably, because I mentioned all this, I'll probably be uploading this video and some other stuff before I do the Old Fashioned Day stuff. So take care, everybody.